Photographers know that an important first step in photography is learning how to use their camera, and Wiley's digital field guides are the ideal resource for getting a handle on all your camera's menus, modes, and controls. Each book is packed with advice, all to help you get great photos anytime, anywhere. And they're small enough to fit in your camera bag. So wherever you take pictures, take a digital field guide along with you. Let's take a look at how to use auto exposure bracketing on your Canon EOS Rebel T2i 550D. When shooting in auto exposure bracketing, or AEB, the camera enables you to capture a series of 3 images, each at different exposures. One at the camera's recommended exposure, one picture at the increased exposure, and another picture at a decreased exposure. Using your AEB feature ensures that one of the 3 exposures will be acceptable, particularly in challenging lighting situations. Now let's take a look at how auto exposure bracketing works in different camera modes. If your camera is in the continuous mode, pressing the shutter button once automatically takes 3 bracketed exposures. If you are in the self-timer drive mode, the 3 bracketed shots are taken in succession, each after the timer interval has elapsed. When shooting in AEB and using the single shot drive mode, you have to press the shutter button 3 times to get the 3 bracketed exposures. Each time you press the shutter button, you will capture 1 image. Remember, this process will repeat itself for every 3 exposures. Now that you understand how AEB works and how the camera performs in each mode, we can show you how to set your camera to use AEB. With the mode dial set to one of the following modes: Program, Shutter Priority, Aperture Priority, Manual, or Automatic Depth of Field, press the Q button to display the quick control screen on the LCD. Press a cross key to activate the exposure level indicator. The exposure level indicator, the scale at the upper left of the LCD, is highlighted. Hold down the AV button on the back of the camera as you turn the main dial to the right to set the bracketing amount. Markers that show increased and decreased exposure settings are displayed on the bracketing scale. You can set bracketing up to plus or minus 2 exposure values. Want more advice? Get your copy of the Canon EOS Rebel T2i 550D Digital Field Guide today.